Meet the all-new 2025 Lincoln Aviator Reserve 2. It's basically like a luxury hotel room on wheels. Let's check it out. Imagine sinking into these massage seats after a very long day. Yes, they actually massage you. And here we have the 28-speaker sound system that gives you premium sound for a really nice car vibe. And check out this beautiful display here. The 12-inch touchscreen, which gives you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. No more cable chaos. And under the hood, a beast of a twin-turbo V6 engine serving up 400 horses. But don't worry, it purrs like a kid when you're just cruising. It's got enough safety tech to make a helicopter parent proud, including their 360 camera that goes all the way around the vehicle and spots danger before you do. And starting at $80K, you can have a luxury penthouse suite. That you can park in your driveway.